English to Hindi future tense. Become, I will, we will with.
होना.
Welcome to tomorrow. Hey, you're about to train your brain to talk about the future in Hindi without sounding like a confused time traveler. We will keep it light, useful, and a little ridiculous. Today you will learn how to say become and several future-style phrases in Hindi. Your star word is
होना.
which can carry the idea of become in many learning contexts. Then we move into strong action phrases.
मैं करूँगा.
For I will.
तुम करोगे.
For you will.
वो करेगा.
For he will.
वो करेगी.
For she will.
ये बनता है.
For it becomes.
हम करेंगे.
For we will.
तुम लोग करोगे.
For you all will, and.
वे बनते हैं.
For they become. Yes, that is a lot. No, you are not allowed to panic. Politely sweating is acceptable. Your core word, become. Let's start with change, because language learning is basically your brain becoming a gym. A sweaty, multilingual gym. The key idea become is.
होना.
Say it with me.
होना.
Things can become better with time. In Hindi learning context, remember, Sijam Samaya K Satha Biatara.
होना.
Sakati Hayam. He wants to become a doctor. Think, Vaha Doktara.
होना.
Kahada Hai. Imagine a caterpillar trying very hard to.
होना.
A butterfly. Now imagine a potato trying to.
होना.
A professor. Honestly, both are inspiring. Memory trick. Ho, now, sounds like.
होना.
Ho, now I become something new. The future squad. Now let's meet the whole dramatic cast of future expressions. It is like a soap opera, but everyone only talks about tomorrow. I will.
मैं करूँगा.
You will.
तुम करोगे.
He will.
वो करेगा.
She will.
वो करेगी.
It becomes.
ये बनता है.
We will.
हम करेंगे.
You all will.
तुम लोग करोगे.
They become.
वे बनते हैं.
If this feels like a lot, good news. Repetition is your friend, and unlike some friends, repetition actually shows up on time. Mini story, The Lazy Hero Club. Time for a funny story. Listen closely, because every key phrase sneaks in wearing sunglasses. In a tiny town, there was a club called the Lazy Hero Club. Their motto was, we believe in greatness, but maybe after tea. One day, a giant poster appeared in the town square. It said, who will save the festival? Raj jumped up and shouted.
मैं करूँगा.
His friend Meera pointed at him and said, really?
तुम करोगे.
Raj nodded so hard he almost fell over. The mayor looked at Raj's brother and whispered.
वो करेगा.
Then everyone looked at Meera and the baker said.
वो करेगी.
2. Meanwhile, the festival dough in the kitchen was rising beautifully. The cook smiled and said.
ये बनता है.
Softer with time. Soon the whole team stood together and yelled.
हम करेंगे.
The teacher clapped and told the class.
तुम लोग करोगे.
By evening, the shy students practiced their dance so much that.
वे बनते हैं.
Stars on stage. And Raj? He still wanted to.
होना.
A hero. He also wanted a second samosa. Both dreams were valid. Speak after me. Your turn now. Repeat each phrase like you mean it, even if you are currently in pajamas and holding a snack. Become.
होना.
I will.
मैं करूँगा.
You will.
तुम करोगे.
He will.
वो करेगा.
She will.
वो करेगी.
It becomes.
ये बनता है.
We will.
हम करेंगे.
You all will.
तुम लोग करोगे.
They become.
वे बनते हैं.
Funny dialogues. Let's make these phrases sound alive. And slightly ridiculous, because ridiculous is memorable. A. Who will clean the kitchen? B.
मैं करूँगा.
A brave answer. Possibly a dishonest one. A. Do you think you will pass the exam? B.
तुम करोगे.
Is what my coach tells me, so yes, let us believe the coach. A. Who will bring the snacks? B.
वो करेगा.
He forgot last time, but we enjoy suspense. A. Who will organize the party? B.
वो करेगी.
She already has color-coded lists. We should all be afraid. A. What happens with practice? B.
ये बनता है.
Easier. Unlike assembling furniture, which becomes a personal crisis. A. Can we finish this project? B.
हम करेंगे.
Confidence first, details later. Teacher. Class, can you all do it? Class.
तुम लोग करोगे.
Is what you keep saying, so now we have no excuse. A. After enough training, what happens to them? B.
वे बनते हैं.
Stronger. A. What do you want to become? B. Something amazing. In Hindi practice.
होना.
Quick memory tricks. You do not need magic. But since magic is fun, let's pretend you do. 4.
मैं करूँगा.
Tap your chest and point forward. I will. 4.
तुम करोगे.
Point at someone kindly, not in a rude movie villain way. 4.
वो करेगा.
Picture a boy on tomorrow's calendar. 4.
वो करेगी.
Picture a girl stepping into the future like she owns it. 4.
ये बनता है.
Imagine dough becoming bread. 4.
हम करेंगे.
Hear a team chant. 4.
तुम लोग करोगे.
Imagine a whole class being told, yes, you all will. 4.
वे बनते हैं.
Picture ordinary people becoming heroes. And 4.
होना.
Imagine change itself putting on a hat and saying, today I become fancy. Quiz time. Let's see what stuck. No stress. If you miss one, just blame the imaginary potato professor. How do you say become?
होना.
How do you say I will?
मैं करूँगा.
How do you say you will?
तुम करोगे.
How do you say he will?
वो करेगा.
How do you say she will?
वो करेगी.
How do you say it becomes?
ये बनता है.
How do you say we will?
हम करेंगे.
How do you say you all will?
तुम लोग करोगे.
How do you say they become?
वे बनते हैं.
Your challenge today. Now use the phrases out loud. Yes, out loud. Whispering to your coffee also counts. Say one thing you want to become using.
होना.
Say one promise with.
मैं करूँगा.
Encourage a friend with.
तुम करोगे.
Point to a male person in an imaginary story and say.
वो करेगा.
Point to a female person in an imaginary story and say.
वो करेगी.
Describe a process with.
ये बनता है.
Make a team promise with.
हम करेंगे.
Motivate a group with.
तुम लोग करोगे.
Describe people changing with.
वे बनते हैं.
Friendly goodbye. Nice work today. You showed up, learned real Hindi phrases, and survived the potato professor. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing.
होना. मैं करूँगा. तुम करोगे. वो करेगा. वो करेगी. ये बनता है. हम करेंगे. तुम लोग करोगे.
And.
वे बनते हैं.
Practice a little every day, repeat out loud, and let your Hindi slowly become stronger. You are doing great, and yes, you absolutely.
तुम करोगे.